guys, Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh. Welcome to my another vlog of Hemkund Sahib series. Now I yesterday reached here Gobind Dham from Gobind Ghat, covering a distance of tracking distance of like 14 kilometers. And after this 14 kilometers I was very tired and I cannot shoot, and I also hit by the AMS, acute mountain sickness, a mild form of acute mountain sickness. So yeah, so now I'm a little bit recovered, and now I'm starting my further yatra from Gobind Dham to Hemkund Sahib. And today is a very auspicious day because today is the first Prakash Purab of Guru Granth Sahib Ji. So I wish everyone good wishes on this occasion. So guys, now you can see behind me is the Gobind Dham Gurdwara Sahib. My mic is compatible with iPhone, so now I'm totally on the Samsung voice recorder that is recording with the video. So maybe you guys not getting the right exact clear crystal clear video. Yeah. So I switched the so you can see now the way the Gurdwara Sahib. The shops, I need to buy something. Wait. So guys, you can see the shops here. You can get the sticks for the tracking if you want to do the tracking. But today I am not tracking 7 kilometers steep altitude track because it's very steep, and because I hit by AMS yesterday, so I'll be riding a horse, say mountain horse, kind of a small horse. In local language we call it khachar. भैया केनी है प्लास्टिक की? ठीक है भाई, ठीक है. So guys, just I switched the rear camera so you can see the height of the mountains and the track. ऊपर जाना है भाई. So guys, now you can see I'm on a mountain horse and going up to the Hemkund Sahib, Gurdwara Sahib. And besides me is the very nice waterfall. My initial plan was to come by helicopter, but the helicopter services is not available from May onwards. So there was a helicopter crash in the May at Kedarnath temple, and after that the Uttarakhand government removed all the helicopter services in the whole of Uttarakhand for all the Char Dhams. So guys, riding on this horse on this steep mountain climb on mountain altitude, but the weather is quite nice. The whole night was raining like anything, and it was very cold in the night. Now the weather is a little bit better. You can see the sky. There is sun, and till now there are no clouds. I hope so. The whole day will be a sunny day and a good day, because because if the clouds are there, then it's you can't see, you can't enjoy the sceneries around. And if it's raining, then it's like, if it's raining, then it's a bitter experience. So I switch back camera, and you can see enjoy the natural beauty of the mountains. These kind of mountains we only find in India. It happens only in India. Even mountains in the Norway and Swiss Alps are not that great and that high. The environment we get here, it's like very unique, very unique. And reaching another waterfall soon. Here there is a parchi or token for the horse riding. So Madhav is paying the money to them and getting the slip to continue the journey. I hope so, guys, you are getting my voice, because my mic is compatible more with the iPhone and I didn't carry my iPhone. Yeah, so relying on the Samsung voice recorder. So I take you to this waterfall. The 3x zoom. I think the stabilization is not that great because I'm riding on a horse, and you guys can expect a little bit of shaky videos. In the video, I don't know how, it may appear it's quite far, but it's not that far, this waterfall. And its water is falling at a very high speed. It's like kind of tornado speed. Not tornado, but very high speed. I mean, one cannot go under the waterfall to enjoy it. No, it's destructive speed. See the clouds? Very nice. Like a pair of birds. Yeah, so you can see the Sangat is, some are going on horses, some mostly are on the foot, trekking. I am not on foot because like guys know that I hit by AMS, and yesterday I tracked for 14 kilometers and I think it's enough. I need not track. Maybe while coming back I'll be tracking down. Yeah. But it depends, yeah. Meanwhile, enjoy the waterfall. So guys, now we are almost traveled, I think, more than half of the kilometer, and it's a mountain track. You guys can see, and how's the mountain dog. You know. These dogs are very, very quiet. They don't bark unnecessarily, but they are very quiet dogs. Now the horse needs a rest. The horse is not in mood to drink the water because of the climate is little bit on the colder side. And now I take you to the top of the hills. Yeah, I make it 3x zoom. Let's see. Yeah, see. So this is the 3x zoom of the mountains. And now we came from there, and this is, I'll show you how far it is. So we came from those huts. Yeah. It's almost seems to be, could be around kilometer now. Yeah. And besides me, a lot of flowers are there. In fact, there's a valley of flowers, very famous valley of flowers, and it has, I mean, a number of varieties of flowers not found commonly in the Asia, or you can say in the world. And those flowers are very unique. There is also a Brahm Kamal. Yeah, normally we have seen the lotus flower, but there is another variety of lotus called as Brahm Kamal that has its own unique features and aura and beauty. भैया जब ब्रह्म कमल अगर कहीं हो ना तो दिखाना यार।
भैया ब्रह्म कमल हमको में ही मिलेगा।
अच्छा,
जब घोड़े से उतरेंगे ना,
हाँ
ऐसी थोड़ी राइट साइड चलेंगे।
ठीक है। So I was asking this guy where I can find the Brahm Kamal. So he said that it is around the Hemkund Sahib temple. So guys, if I found it, the Brahm Kamal, I'll show you guys also. Yeah. For the timing, I pause the video because now it's nothing unique is there. It's only in the jungle we are tracking up and up. Okay guys, वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह. So guys, now you can see I am at a very height. I reached almost mid of the journey. We covered 4 kilometers, and after 4 kilometers, see the height of the altitude in the mountains. We are quite near to the peaks. I zoom it now. So, and we need to reach there. Yeah. Where there's a cloud and there is a, you guys can see a hut. So there we need to reach. And it's a long track again. So if I make my stick, to show you. So guys, so you can see behind me the truck. Yeah, it's quite cold here, very cold. My hands are freezing now. And it's really cold. Now I'm going a little bit down to show you the valley and river. Yeah, I'll switch the camera. Yeah, see. So we came from that point. Sat Sri Akal.